Yo, we got so much going on right now. So much. But the mob is here, repping for the Boston fitness community. Even him. Alright, got all the energy in the world right now. Don't want to stay still. But peep the B-roll though. I want to give you guys a quick little highlight of what's going on.
If I could get this branded, I would totally get this branded.
You have it in 60 seconds. Where are you going to end up? It's not where you are right now, but where you're going to finish. Come on, girl. Come on. 30 seconds left. Turn up the volume. Turn up the intensity. You are done with these today.
Find your class?
Well, you can, all next week I'm going to be gone for a conference, but after that, on Friday the 21st, you better be at the YMCA on Huntington Ave from 6:30 to 8:30. It's my official launch party. It's going to be me, a kick-ass class, a live DJ, prizes, some snacks, and just like a good community social event. And it's free, and you can register on Eventbrite. So that's the first thing. And you can find me at the Park Plaza, at Lynx Fitness, and at the YMCA, and at the Fenway Community Center. So if you go to sweatremix.com, you can go to the jam and follow us and come rage and see my schedule.
All right, there you go. And most importantly, I'll be there too.
That's it,
so,
Caesar will be there, so that's all anybody really needs. Just come for Caesar.
Yeah.